Hi, this is Komal, project manager at Interim. Recently, somebody I know was facing an issue wherein they had created their Facebook Business Manager account but was still unable to access ad account. In fact, this is a problem that many people face. So, what's the solution? Give access to yourself. Yup, you heard it right. Even if you are the one who has created the Facebook Business Manager account and the subsequent ad account, it's important that you provide access to yourself. Let's see the steps for the same. So once you have created your Business Manager account, you can go to Business Settings by clicking right here. Now as you can see, even though I have the admin access, there are no assets which have been assigned to me. So I can do the same by clicking on add assets. And then these are the asset types which are available with the account currently. So I'll select the page and give myself required permissions. I'll do the same by going to add accounts and selecting the ad account and giving myself the permissions. Once I've done this, I'll click on save changes. Now as you can see, the page and ad account have been assigned to me. You can also do the same by going to ad accounts here, and this is the respective ad account, and you can click on add people right here and add other people or yourself if you're not already added. So here, let's say I can select this person and then click on assign. And as you can see, the person has been added. Using these steps, we hope you're no longer away from your ad account or other asset types. If you still face issues, then you can sign up on Intelimo and launch digital marketing campaigns easily. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe.